Hello everyone, this is Henan Machinery. Behind me is one set of our special designed mobile dry mix concrete batching plant. These two bins are the aggregate bin for the sand and stone, and this is a small cement silo capacity 14 tons. The cement will be transported by this screw conveyor to the cement wind hopper, and after being wind, the cement will be transported to this discharging hopper. This is a water wind hopper, and above is an additive wind hopper. This is the aggregate wind hopper. The aggregate, after being wind, will be transported by the conveyor belt to the discharging hopper. This mobile plant uses this control panel to control the operation of it, and you can also use the remote controller to control the operation of the plant. And as you can see, this mobile plant has total 8 legs, so it doesn't need the concrete foundation. Just a hard flat ground will be okay. It's also with tires, very easy to move. This type design of dry mix concrete batching plant is very convenient for customers to produce concrete. We already sold many sets to our customers. Welcome to contact us if you are interested.